Sometimes it can get a little boring watching somebody talk on and on about a subject. It can feel like a lecture sometimes. Hi, I'm Paigon, and in this video, I'm going to talk about B-roll footage and how it can help entrepreneurs make their videos more engaging. So what's B-roll footage? It's basically the images you see that's not the main image. So while I'm talking, I could cut away to another image or footage, but you'll still hear my voice. Usually the image or footage has something to do with what I'm talking about. So right now, I just cut away to another footage, but you still hear my voice, but you don't see me. It can be useful if you want to keep your audience engaged while you're talking, or if you want to show them how to do something. B-roll footage can also be used to help build your personal brand or your brand in general. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the different ways you can use B-roll footage for your service-based business. Well, this could technically work for any business that's trying to build their brand. Ready to add B-roll footage to your videos now? Then check out the list of B-roll ideas that I've created for service-based entrepreneurs. You can grab that in my description box. The link is down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get my latest videos. Until next time, bye!